Hello, friends. Recently, I've received several questions about this new object moving through our solar system called 3I Atlas. And so I decided to do this short video to explain what this object is all about. So, 3I Atlas is a comet. Now, comets are often called dirty snowballs in that they consist of rock, dust, and ice. And typical comets have a core that is about 5 to 10 miles wide, and it appears that 3I Atlas is within this general size range. Now, the distinguishing features of comets are their long gas and dust tails when they get close to the sun. Many of us have seen comets before, and they can be a really spectacular object. Here is a picture of one that I took from the Bend, Oregon area in the year 2025, or 2024, excuse me. It's the Su-Shin-Chan comet. And comets follow these highly elongated orbits around the sun. And by that, what I mean is they come in close to the sun, heat up, and then spew out their tails, and then they continue on in their journey out to an area, or commonly to an area known as the Kuiper Belt, which is out beyond the planet Neptune. An interesting thing about comets is that the tails always point away from the sun, which is kind of counterintuitive. They are being pushed by the solar wind, and so they point away from the sun. They can even point in the direction of travel of the object, which is, as I said, counterintuitive to what we would normally expect for an object with a tail. Now let's do some details about this 3I Atlas. First of all, here's a picture of the object. You can tell it's a time-lapse photo because the background stars are elongated. This was taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. Okay, and here's the interesting thing about 3I Atlas. It does not come from our solar system. It is an interstellar object. It comes from a completely different star than the comets that we are normally used to. And it is only the third interstellar object ever identified. The first one was identified in 2017. It was a solid object known as Umeomea. It had quite an elongated shape. In 2019, 2I Borisov, which itself was a comet, was identified. And the I in these names stand for interstellar. So it was 2I Borisov was the second interstellar object. And then in 2025, 3I Atlas was identified. It was identified in the summer of 2025. And as I said, it also is a comet. Now, its path through our solar system takes it to just inside the planet Mars. And here's a graphic supplied by NASA. And so it enters our solar system from another star, and then it gets as close to the sun as just inside the orbit of Mars, and then it will zip on out of our solar system. It will not be captured by the gravitational pull of our sun, so it's truly an interstellar object traveling through space. Now, more details can be found at science.nasa.gov. Let me repeat that so that you can write that down if you need to. Science.nasa.gov. It's an excellent website. Highly recommend it. And that is it for 3I Atlas. If you would like to subscribe and receive emails that I send out periodically about astronomy events in the Central Oregon area, you can go to my website, telescopeguy.net. I also send out pictures or astro pictures periodically for your enjoyment. I hope this short video was helpful, And I thank you very much.